home to the Lewis Rancher. Where's today? It's only Lewis. Myself in the glasses. Yeah, so today I'm doing a Match Attax opening special thing. I haven't looked at any of these. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm not planning to look at the background. Basically, I just have to open them, see how many players I get, and I have to make a top 11, 3 substitutes, and the rest are reserves. And sadly, I got some of the best players in the world, but they're for online. So I've got Thiago Silva, Raheem Sterling, and Petr Cech. They came at the top of the pack. I just opened them straight away. They had face forward. So that's how I got them. Let's start looking at some of the cards then. So first of all, first card, Christian Tello. He's a striker. I've never heard of him. So I'll put them in an order of pile of strikers. Who's this? The striker, again. Alberto Bruno, on the same team as him. What's the team? I don't know. Alberto, I don't know. Sorry, I don't know. So he's a striker as well. So I've got 2 strikers already. Great. Now he plays for Bayern. He is a defender. What's his name? Oh, the duo. This is striker. Look at the striker. Look at. What's his name? Wendell and Hilbert. By the way, if I get a duo, that counts as 1 card. So I've got Wendell and Hilbert. That's their name. Got a midfielder here. Andreas Samaras, that's his name. He's a midfielder. 5 million. I haven't actually heard of most of these. I haven't actually heard of any of them yet. Zoran, he's from Yuka, something like that. Midfielder, his name's Zoran Tosic. I've heard of him before. The midfielder. And who's this? From Juventus. Oh no. I got Paul Pogba. Ah yes, I got Paul Pogba, one of the best midfielders in the world. Just going. Yes. Did you see? Look, it's Paul Pogba. It is Paul Pogba. He just came out of nowhere. Paul Pogba, guys. He's going in my team, definitely. He's in my team, straight away. Who's this? Ah, yes, Oxlade Chamber. He's an absolute baller. He is a baller. Yeah, I'm quite a fan of him, mostly because I support Arsenal. But he's also quite good. He might go on my team if I don't get an amazing... Wait, where does he play? Like, right wing? Yeah, right wing. If I don't get another right wing player, he's in. Yeah. So, yeah, he's an absolute baller, I think. Very great. Who's this? Another duo. Oh. I've got Sebastian Schweinsteiger and Morgan Schneider. They're really good. They're going to go on. They're going on. They're just 1, 2, weighted 5 stars. Attack and defense are really good. So they're in the team. They're midfielders. Who's this? Yaka again, that's him. What sausage again? Oh, I've got 2 sausage. Trading. I'm going to trade in probably. Who else? Ah, yes, the little magician. Santi Cazorla. The little magician of Arsenal. That's what he's mainly called. Oh, Santi Cazorla. Yeah. So again, I'm an Arsenal fan, so he's quite good. He's a really good player though. We call him Arsenal players call him the Magician. So he's probably going to be probably going to be in unless we get like a. So Galatasaray, he's a midfielder. Olkan Adin. I don't know. I don't know what team that is. And he's a midfielder. Granite. What is that? What's Granite? What? No clue how to spell that in. Who is this? Oh no, it's a 10, so I don't know why. Another striker. Calvin around. I got Ibrahimovic. That's my striking. That's my strike goes out. Oh my god. I've got Ibrahimovic. I didn't have these really rubbish cards at first. I got like 2 good players. 2 good cards. And now I've just got Ibrahimovic. That's my strike. That's just it. I'm getting a shock now. What? No. What? What champion? What are you meant to do with this? Should I put it as manager or something? I put this as manager. I don't think you want it. I did buy actually 3 packs. But 1, 2, 3, and maybe that one in one of the packs. I'm actually looking at them, just open them and put them on top. Maybe in one of the packs, the team I got is ready to win the Champions League. Also, I've got a good pack in there somewhere. But that's the manager. So from Bayern again, striker. So I've got Stefan I don't know how to pronounce his name. Kiesling, okay. Stefan Kiesling, he's a star player. I've never heard of him before. He's a striker. Olympiakos. Yeah, Olympiakos. He's a defender. Alberto Bottia. I need to get some defenders. Or we got only 2 defenders. So Alberto Cabilla, I don't know. I forgot what the team's called. I know it's a defender. I've got another defender list. Alexander Maten. I don't actually know. I forgot what the team's called. Ivo Pinto plays for them. I forgot. But, oh no. He's fine. Another Bayern player. Oh, get some Bayern. I want to get some Bayern. Defender. Get lots of defenders now. As soon as I said I'm not getting defender, I'm getting them. 4 million. His name is there's some really weird names. Giulio Donati. What? Okay. That's him. Where's the defender? I've actually got 30 because there's 10 in each pack. It says on the back. So what's the other guy? So he's. What's that? Either Pinto plays for again. What's the name of the team? It's a defender again. What's his name? Josip Pivaric. What are the teams called? Oh, no. Defender. Yes. Liverpool midfielder. Okay, so PSV midfielder. What's his name? Stingin Charles. No idea what he is. So, I don't know what the name is again. Oh, he's on the. He must be quite good because he's on the packet of this. Look. See, lots of water going down the drain. Look, okay. What's this star player for what team though? I don't know what team it is. That team. His name's Mizu Veloso. No, Veloso. I don't know. I don't know the name of. Let's see who he is. Angelo Rodriguez. It's a striker. There's the door opening. Chelsea. Promising. I've got to get some actual players. I've got to get some players. I need a goalkeeper. I'm not going to play like a goalkeeper. Let's play anyway. Chelsea. Oh, I've got Diego Costa. Yes. 12 million. I've got Diego Costa. Star player. Yes, I needed another striker to go up front with Ibrahimovic. Ibrahimovic. So I've got I've quite a lot of strikers now. Diego Costa. I've got Boateng. Yes, Jerome Boateng. He's a baller. I've seen baller nowadays. He's an absolute baller. He's amazing. Jerome Boateng. He's going to defence. Definitely. Who's this? Now Real Madrid midfielder. That is, oh my god. It's Gareth Bale. It's not. Oh my god, it is. It's Gareth Bale. I've got Gareth Bale. Oh my god, I've got Gareth Bale. Ah yes. Gareth Bale. Come on. This is good. I've got another midfielder. He's going in. He's my left wing sorted. He's definitely good. Unless I get someone else who's really good. Yes. 11.5. There's some from Roma. Oh, I've got a goalkeeper because it's a sign. So he's a defender from Roma. Macon. All these good players, and just get this guy. Who even is he? Macon. What? Goalkeeper from Barcelona. The surgeon. Isn't he the number 1 or is he the number 2? He's the number 2 because Bravo's the number 1. Right now it looks like he's the only goalkeeper. I think he might have to be, unless I use one of them online things, I've got to put a check there. That's cheating. I'll just, yeah. The surgeon, I'll put that in the goalkeeper part. Someone from Roma. I don't think there's someone from Roma. You're always excited because it's quite a good team, Roma. And he's further in Madrid. I can't believe I've got that. Next, who's this? Francesco. Oh my. It's properly. Oh. That was terrible. It's properly. Yeah. So I can say right now. Get all these good ones. These last two better be good because I really need a player. Totti's there. Okay, another Chelsea. I've got Real Madrid after the Chelsea. Okay, it's a defender. Please tell me. Oh, John Terry. Oh, I don't know about that. I think he might have to go in because he's the only proper Premier League player, isn't he? Because the only other one, I don't even know another one, a proper defender. I've just got Boateng and that's John Terry. What's John? He's just old now. Defender. It's Real Madrid. If I get one of their worst players. Oh my god. No. This isn't real. This isn't real. It's not a good trick. It's real. I just got... I'm sorry. Oh. I just got down. No, I just got Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh my. No. Oh my gosh, this is real. This is real. I just got the second best player in the world. That's all the cards. I just got Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, that's amazing. Yes, got Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, back in. So, I'm just so excited. At the end of this episode, in the next episode, actually no it's not, I need to start the team. So in the next episode you're going to see my finished team. So that was me opening them and then in the end you're going to see the finished result. See you then.